Join me as I take on the challenge of becoming a master manifester in just 1 week. When we talk about personal development, there's one skill that stands out from the rest: manifestation. The ability to bring your desires into reality, to make your dreams a tangible part of your life. It's a game changer. But it's not just about getting what you want, it's about becoming the person you need to be to achieve your goals. Mastering manifestation is about unlocking your full potential, and that's what we are going to dive into today. When it comes to manifestation, there are a lot of misconceptions out there. People think it's just about thinking positive, or visualizing what you want, and then voila, it just shows up at your doorstep. But that's not how it works. The truth is, manifestation is a skill that takes practice, patience, and dedication. And if you're not doing it right, you're not going to get the results you want. One of the biggest challenges people face is that they're trying to manifest from a place of lack, rather than abundance. They're focusing on what they don't have, rather than what they already do. And that's exactly what holds them back. Another common misconception is that manifestation is just about getting what you want, when you want it. But the truth is, it's about alignment. It's about aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions with what you want to achieve. And when you do that, amazing things start to happen. But if you're not in alignment, you are going to struggle. And finally, people often think that manifestation is just about individual effort. They think it's all on them to make it happen. But the truth is, the universe has a role to play too. And when you learn to work with the universe, rather than against it, that's when the magic happens. The biggest challenge of all, however, is that people give up too easily. They try to manifest something once or twice, and when it doesn't happen, they throw in the towel. But the truth is, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. And if you're not willing to put in the work, you're never going to get the results you want. One of the most powerful techniques of manifestation is visualization. This is where you vividly imagine yourself already in possession of what you want to manifest. You see it, you feel it, you smell it, you make it as real as possible. And when you do this consistently, you start to rewire your brain to believe that what you want is already possible. Another powerful technique is affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself on a daily basis to reinforce what you want to manifest. But here's the thing: affirmations only work if you believe them. If you're just repeating them parrot style, without any emotion or conviction behind them, they're not going to do anything for you. The law of attraction is another fundamental principle of manifestation. This is the idea that like attracts like, that what you put out into the universe is what you get back. So if you are putting out positivity and abundance, that's what you are going to attract. But if you are putting out negativity and lack, that's what you are going to get back. And finally, the power of gratitude is essential in manifestation. This is where you focus on what you already have, rather than what you don't have. And when you do this, you start to attract more abundance into your life. But here's the thing: all of these techniques and principles are useless if you don't have the right mindset. You see, manifestation is not just about what you do, it's about who you are being. It's about being the person who already has what they want. It's about being confident, being positive, being abundant. And when you can master this mindset, that's when the magic really happens. So, the most powerful insight or technique that can transform someone's approach to manifestation is this: it's not about getting what you want, it's about becoming the person who already has it. When you focus on becoming the person, the getting just happens naturally. You start to vibrate at a different frequency, you start to attract different opportunities, you start to see the world in a different way. And that's when the manifestation starts to flow. So, don't focus on getting what you want, focus on becoming the person who already has it. And when you do this, you'll be amazed at what starts to happen in your life. But here's the thing: this only works if you're consistent. You can't just do it once or twice and expect to get the results you want. You have to commit to this mindset, you have to make it a part of your daily life. And when you do this, that's when the real transformation starts to happen. In summary, mastering manifestation is not just about getting what you want, it's about becoming the person you need to be to achieve your goals. It's about alignment, it's about patience, it's about perseverance, and it's about consistency. So, remember, it's not about getting what you want, it's about becoming the person who already has it. So, have you ever had any experiences with manifestation that you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on personal development and manifestation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.